Yo, people, damn. How we doing? The grass wet. That's alright. Walk one. Today's video, I want to ask the question. Is bassline back? Is bassline back? Is it back? It would seem like bassline's back. You know? If you didn't know, I was a part of the bassline team. I used to DJ, had a few tunes. I did make a few bassline compilation CDs with my tunes. Shout out to TRC, he was a major player in me doing so, you know what I'm saying, a good friend of mine. You know what I'm saying, shout out to Screamer as well, and the old school days before it was started off with the grime, then it was the bassline, you know what I'm saying? And I used to love that era, man. Learning to DJ, produce, make tunes, travel up and down the country, up Sheffield on a regular basis. Them days were mad, raving, kind of semi to some extent carefree to some extent, you know what I mean? Like, also still always had responsibilities, but go up and down the country. Like nowadays, when it's like time to drive out of Birmingham, everything seems long, bro. Like, whereas before we could just spontaneously, bam, they shoot off the Huddersfield. You get what I'm saying? But the question is bassline back? Now, I'm looking at it and I'm seeing a lot of big raves happening in Birmingham, bassline orientated. But I feel like it's a new generation of people. I see a lot of the old heads popping up and doing their thing, but I feel like the new generation are taking it to a different level now. Seems like a lot of stuff's going on up north. I think up north, bassline never really dies as such. It might not be as popular, but it doesn't really die. I see a lot of these new gens utilizing content, making tunes, understanding how to promo their tunes, and also having a mix to their tunes and a structure to their tunes that can go further than just the rave, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like production wise, I'm hearing some tunes that are making bassline a bit more credible. You get me? That's just my opinion though. Like, the Bassboy producers that was around them times, there's some stompers that just work in a rave though. Like, a lot of them don't really convert into songs that can be like played on radio and so on and so forth. You get me? And that's cool. That's all right. But I feel like bassline was missing a full infrastructure in order for it to spread across, let's just say, the world. Then, you know what I mean? Like Europe, to be fully taken seriously on the raving islands and all that. You get me? Not to say it didn't do its thing, I ain't saying that at all, but I'm just saying, like, other genres like drum and bass, house, you can go anywhere and you can just hear those sounds, and they have their own audience, and their own audience travel with those sounds, and people rave to those sounds, and that's it. You get what I'm saying? With bassline, it was like there was the darker sound where it's like heavy basses, and then there was the Gallem tune. You get what I'm saying? But if certain raves are put on, a lot of females will turn up, and then if you start playing the wagga waggas, the dance will go a bit flat. You get what I'm saying? So it was like for me personally, the understanding of how the infrastructure of what bassline was just wasn't there. You get me? And I just don't think it was entirely marketed in the right way, or controlled in the right way, let's say, because like I says, there was different types of sound that some people liked, and then others, like there's the raver sound, and then there was the Gallem tune, basically. You get me? And I feel like it all got mixed into one. And if you book certain DJs, it might flatten your rave. You get what I'm saying? But in another place, they might murder the rave. You get me? And then vice versa. But yeah, I'm seeing these new gens, these TDs and these crews and these, I don't even know their names like that, you know, but I'm just seeing content. I'm thinking, yo, yeah, it's popping back up, and I feel like there's new people flying the flags. A lot of the old heads are having a resurgence as well. Like, as the genre comes back, people are going back to the old stuff as well. Even me, people are asking me about my tunes. Like, I'm getting people message me about tunes. Brother, you're gonna have to ask someone else for them. You know, I don't know where they are. You get me? And I'm getting a lot of that more recently. Like, a lot of people are asking me about my tunes. Like, asking me for them, asking me if I'm the Speedy from Bassline, and all these things. And I'm thinking, raw, Bassline must really be back. You get me? But what does it need to do now to stay? That's the question. You get me? And the answer would be just to keep the infrastructure going, keep understanding the market, keep understanding how to put on a rave, for what purpose, and you know, and how to release tunes, how to market them, the purpose of them, and yeah, just quality control as well. You get me? Quality control is the biggest thing. So yeah, man, that's exciting to hear that Bassline's back, because I got a lot of friends in Bassline. You get me? So if everyone down there is making their money, I'm gassed. You get me? Me personally, I won't be making no Bassline tunes. Not no time soon. I don't even remember how to produce like that. You get me? TRC is the man that used to show me everything. You get me? And I ain't heard from him in a while. You get me? He needs to give me a shout out. I told him to come on the podcast. He says, oh yeah, soon. You get me? Oh yeah, soon. You get me? But shout out everyone. Shout out SG as well, doing his thing. I see SG around Georgia Smith and all those. Shout out Trilla. Forever's doing his thing, but you know, I got my gripes with Trilla, but he should be gone clear. You get me? But you know, such is life, man. The opportunity's never not there. You get me? But yeah, man. Being as we got Sinners Vodka and Bassline is something that we are into, I'm thinking about getting involved in some of the promotions for some raves and getting some big things happening. You get me? Because if it's back, that's the closest scene. That's the closest I am to a scene. You get me? So see if I can pull some strings and help with the resurgence. Of course, I'm gonna do that. You get me? I need a Bassline episode on the Sinners podcast. I did Holocade that as well. Another instrumental player in the scene. You get me? Shout out to DJ Q, the best DJ in Bassline, along with Apostle. Them two, in terms of Bassline and understanding how to mash down a dance, I just don't think you can beat them, bro. They're my personal favourites. Bassline, Apostle, TRC, and DJ Q, and Sub-Zero. Can't forget Sub-Zero. Obviously, you got the Burger Boys and the TS7s and the Bassboys, Ada R, and then you got Bassline. Nah, trust me, it's a madness. It's a madness. Just keep it quality controlled, and keep the raves coming, man. Yeah, just keep it to the rave kind of thing. Sometimes when you try to cater for the girl, well, not cater for the girl, but try to get you too hard, you make them dictate what goes on, and then it goes wrong. The girl will follow if you just, you know what I mean? Yeah, I know what I'm saying. I'm just talking about. But anyways, yeah. Also in this video, yeah, I'm gonna go to the competition thing, and I'm gonna call out, CS, because CS Visuals has started this YouTube journey. Yeah, we're on similar subscribers. Obviously, I'm on 180, he's on 40. I'm gonna say that's similar because we're both not monetized. So I'm gonna call him out for a competition. The competition is who can get the most subscribers. Yeah, I'm calling you out, CS. Yeah, as a competition. Yeah, me vs you and anyone else that wants to join in. Start a YouTube channel now. and let's see who can get the most subscribers in the space of time. Yeah, and we're gonna do that by constantly chatting about each other. Yeah, and see if we can build on that infrastructure there. You get me? So CS, I'm calling you out for a competition. Yeah, currently me vs you. Let's see who can get the most subscribers in. Yeah, you do you and I'll do me. I'll chat about you. You chat about me. Yeah, let's make this a competition. And anyone else that wants to get involved, let me know, man. We'll do it. We'll get involved, man, and we'll just chat about each other. Get clout from each other. You get me? And see how far that goes. But yeah, that's it for me today. Yeah, let me know what you think about bassline being back. Let me know if you was a part of the bassline scene. Let me know if you used to rave the bassline. Let me know if none of this makes any sense to you. If you don't care and you just want to talk about spray or fucking winner stalking or all that stuff. But bassline, yeah, up in the Midlands and up north was a mad thing. That era between like 2005, 6 to like 09, mental. You get me? Yeah, that's me done. Don't forget your t-shirts are available. Shout me in the DMs, get at me and you can get one of these. You get me? Other than that, peace.